OKFM 101.7.
On the same issue, can a bank crash? I know what's a front plains. Honorable Fuseini Donkor. I want Manaso. Honorable Yamwachim Wakwaba OKF Madiachin Biaso.
Come and come out, you can see a drink, Major.
Hey, Honorable Way Kwame Amu.
Hey, Kwame, I'm watching me. Why?
Oh, and you
I don't know.
And
you Ubriba here, the ever I don't know.
And obey the Wabrimu Crow.
Oh, okay.
Now,
well, who appointed Bema Mantama and so they just to have a tonic at that thing. It's been out to know.
Honorable Way to Adama Bubenibium.
Me say, well, who appointed Bema Mantama and so nigga to a better tonic at that thing.
And I said, Jatuano, Obaka Cancro for Buregu.
Yes.
Now, Waka Cross will be Bama. Wakoto Gotem. Now,
I know Pacho. Uncle Jammy Maminko Pacho, Uncle Jammy Maminko Castle Week. Appointed Bema, you had you, sir. And this is some man, I call you Cassatin to be Chirima, and then Mammy Castle and Bowen got 10 coaches in the year, and a humanity, and it's been afternoon.
Now, Nabuena, where they are Fatamio without any strings attached.
Okay.
Would if Fuseini. Now, we will say, now Fuseini Nebu Bessie. And I mean, actually, tribalistic. Tribalistic when this we say. Asante for Ashantis.
Oh, Minia, I'm the Southern Americano. Assembly Naba, and I said it is just a small section of some individuals within the Ashanti region. A Juma Edia Mom, no man see a Juma Nasi. Then no man done in a year no more personally, and yes, Sabi NDC in Ashanti region. No, but there are serious elders of the Ashanti caucus, Ashanti Council of Elders are almost to society and so. Nipe could be now among or more personal agenda, be no more than I said, on person of the foreign party in and yes, sanity. So the Ubu Midino, Donkor Fuseini, Mishazia or Roman Catholic, Emmanuel Donkor, and I'm medical V Assemblies of God, medical Conkremu, and I'm Kunya Fuseini Donkor, and I'm the free Kremusaba Assemblies of God. Ninaja, me Papa Mustafa Luba Donkor, and your fan in crazy. Ono Naija, that's a Medina Mamasa. But then, Upa Ashanti Regina, you give me Papa Chiprecope. Eja Isa, and I be established Isa Kura. I was a saffron place this year. Ono Saka baby. Into Uba saffron place, my direct father's brother, and I established Isa Kurano.
Wow.
Ha, Omina bra penny so and a teacher, your friend is a balana. And so war in Suta, such a centra. So I became a parliamentary candidate in such a centra, which is in Suta for mine before so. If you and Ambeya and Admo coordinator was such a central district now in Suta for mine before so. And Sana, maybe DC or such a from plains. And that is NDC for you.
Now, Honorable, when we say now, said you're not a hejo. More trumpet says a bano, a man your Samoa, no, tribal. Mudian Camuson Sabrobe. Now the son of Mundi body and so Jason son of Moody.
Sentina Mitchell said that is not the party's position. A individual be on one penny personal agenda, no per se, who pushes idea. No.
Honorable, or your faceless and I'm winning say individual.
Oh, said your grantees I interview near. The former deputy chief of staff, Yura Johnny Osekofi, and a cast at them now, Sabi, Nipa Biblifu say, and pay. If it's all Cassa, Uko voter region, I won't say, or say to be lady, but AD voter region, NDC, I didn't know, but no. Voter region, Yura Japon Kujo. No, or my minute of Papa in every Asante Mampong. So, obey a voter regional NDC chairman for 12 years. You know, it is never factually true, say, Oko voter region, who say any other tribe will be a party anymore. It's not true. So he got that one even wrong. Ira Chairman Adekoka, Sabi Onyan Fantini. Look at the history of Greater Accra region. Chairman Benenya vote ni seat Kasapama than Chairman Adekoka. And I'm in the Greater Accra. Is he not delivering? Is he not working? It is a Yera Nana question, so the Kwame Sumaba. That's a NDC had the highest vote in the history of the party in Ashanti region. That's the AB also pursued candidate back, no contest. It should be on competence and I'm a Trevor doesn't come in at all. Yes, yen ye project is a yen ye boise. Quite ben ye be faswa. Ye bring a domini biabe kahon. Our Asante region. That should be a concern to everybody, not an individual few. Be say, oh yeah, ye press ye mass and to follow to do another party. No, yes, it's a collective duty. Ye Asante region. Yeah. And any people being one a bit near say, this is my Asante ye leader in the region and son as and before the journey party. No, that is not true. That is logically not true. If you are opening up to them, let's open up to them, even at the branches, at the constituencies, right down to the region. And you be as a better person, say, be kind of party man, sana, why continue contributing to the fortunes of the party. In this particular notion, meaning, I would say, your senior brother, no, he got it wrong. But then, if people share, almost use this idea just to campaign for the regional position. And no, you move beautiful say and pay because open party only that is the NDC for you. Yeah, you see this no. The first thing I will see is so any sukua kasia wako. It is your commitment to the party first before we titles. If you go NDC more, you can be sao the open position when NDC more. Some send our some party no. Edi Kaimba and Sana Sukua Wako Kraba. That is the NDC. Ye see you no Sani Yeno. Ye see you say, and I'm a professor, doctor, emeritus, and me papa na ye dumbu, me nana na ye bafwa kutu, David, and ye see. It is about your commitment and loyalty to the party first. It is a big in Kenya this will be the same in Canada. What you see you? And then this Simua will be the same in your Otukuno, a better man, a deputy general secretary. What am I saying? So NDC is only party that gives opportunity to every committed member, no matter your position, no matter where you are coming from. And found if you are free mobile.
Honorable Yeton Kasemuka said that now Kase, a certain individuals be our more occupy position was Santimantemu, and a beer assembly about for Mona Nipebi. A person of us are crown way so a you or more a free or say ye bisa say and ye biano the call for Ashanti for Asantis no and enya the reason behind them phobia ye bibi and yenti yen you are more from Ray and also so enye doing the right thing the wrong way.
And I make say it is not even about say phobia ye bibi and yen you move from Umbrella.
But I am now in community. 7-member committee no reporter wa mde ba ya na fa empenifo bi wa santima
report no krano enyamba out. Yes, some of the members of the committee and are granting interview. And as me say one member of the committee and no quiet secretary. On the Johnny Otekufino and are granting interview. First of all, on the anchor newspaper Kasai. Most of the things are kind in Akwan. Any report no move. Somewhere his personal views. Some yera in Okamwakuya Oko Allegy say regional chairman at Tom Party, no regional secretary at Tom Party. He couldn't even at the committee sitting when he evidence back Okrampo and Fanchere. I've been at the committee sitting crowd report now Sebi Enyamba out in Okrano. There is no way in the reporter it established here say chairman are you with chairman are you with. Because Minia Kwame, me know me a tickroom head. Regional chairman Ben and on appointee polling station executive, a polling station agent. It is done at the constituency level. And sometimes they might even pick polling agents na regional chairman no kura enim no. What am I saying? Then the polling agent collate the results, bring it to the election directorate, the secretary and the organizer at the constituency level. If they are satisfied with it, before answer almost forward their broad region. Into the whole process no crown until the results get to the region, the regional chairman is not so much in control. It could do region Hokrana, election directorate, ne secretary, any organizers, omune ye huechuma, and sana a free region ho aqua, easy strong woman, sana a free honsa concry. So it is just so what logic say we got a regional chairman be at home. The election single-handedly. How can that happen? So some of the allegations, you were just so illogical. But nipa neka, you just say nipa yinano. That is why I think the regional chairman have drilled himself. So listen, I will come. Though committee didn't have the mandate, because NDC, Council of Elders, are purely advisory bodies. I said the omu yesu for. What you say? It's a fake. And as a neck, and can be established commission say, Moshe Abia, you see, SEO, Regional Executive Committee, Numu. Omonanye, that's the Council of Elders, no committee. That one is supposed to be a fact-finding committee. Omonube, pair assembly nukre, na komo de abe de be, de abe tufu. So it shouldn't be an avenue so be fast. It has become another weapon or they be fighting a personal battle. It was totally wrong. Totally wrong.
Say Abba ama wamashase akwa say jam kwada edi bonkru as manum nu a ebeda ne bonfire then obe suggest the leadership of the party.
Oh, for me dear, me gidi said the medical actually much no. Nipa ku kakrebi. I know that there are very honorable people within even the Council of Elders and pennyful woman. 77 we months so omu nyina kra no ye bra panyin kasa na anya omo de meaning say even the chairman of the committee ye rasapo anon na that committee na no he wasn't happy because Johnny was could be granted that interview but massive yes in penifo ni dia start air from up since that day up to today maintain so asakasa be the edim I know say penifo have prevailed on him say and just what obi na no dim. And I know say the regional chairman, the regional secretary, so executive committee na kata so betinase. I know this thing will be nipped in the bud immediately. NDC Ashanti region, sebi nobwa. Ebusuaku bi aka ho, and a result ayenya no yenya. Kwaya ye faso ye niema no, e beko so aye. So we are upper position bia. For competence and your contribution to the party, no Fabetudja. A short delegates a near a betwama. Near make us a near delegates maybe. Okawasum was them let Thomasuma, Metwama. And Thomasuna may you can't build on the 653,000 na yano. Untimin Fabin Beckham, one tray, quite of the patrol, Eddie Biacam, Amayra John Mahama, Timmy, every 2024. The Obekiana Metwamano. And found it be free. Me did it, ye mammy no, ye mammy to say, ye mammy, Ragre Betimodi Drisu, ye papa, Upunimone, or Hinaji Kumone, Dr. Kokwajima, me and some, Omina, the passing with mu. Not BBC, no, answer a saying in TV. No more, yes, and so my from, meaning say, General Secretary, National Chairman, Omina. Among friend penning for na BBC no mani nyinti credium na committee report no so ebeba ye mani mbadwa no bi ehu se sa asema ye keka won chenchen no edi committee report bukura na asema fa na asema nko
ona bona wo kwai na senka ija ye ma o project work say ye bra mark na pass exams na question here tribal politics the reality or the myth e wo ho na yenka ana eni ho na ye kan keke
tribal politics within the NDC I can tell you on authority say doesn't really exist because Oba special Asante memuha Opo mo mani campaign because pa for the union MPP for kura suru omo a e ya Asante for no mo ye NDC no kura no mo suru omo kese because Asante ni o ye NDC no chance the ye enta for no kura be si because ono no hey ukoka no ubeka na efiri fie what am I say? So we try to encourage more such people because ukoka na onimo obusu efi onimo su fie moko ahemfi obi anim so do be kana asem it doesn't mean say okoye kosia we free debi NDC doesn't do that there is something newer ebem I am say ebe man kwan so yes it is a myth but some people want to just make it real which we will not allow.
Now, what do you MPP more? And I wouldn't want to nka.
Let's make sure say MPP there. Niema mienu na MPP mu. Udini usika. MPP mu de okwa ye bisa o say o papa ne hwan o papa ne baafo akoto. O papa ne hwan papa ne John Ajekunkufuo. O papa no hwe me papa na ye yes that is the only way you qualify. Etin Aliu Mahama ko pre no ho na gidi bisa na say wo kura wo papa no hwan. So fie be mu usika yesen masa gina chen yenim ni frititi akufu ado ba e pa dia wo Aliu Mahama zo be pridi kan gina chen ene de man na ado ba ne ye no iti ba obi obekwan yem papa
Oh sir
oh yeah
hey honorable
obekwan na do be yire no ho aso or the man because only there on na ye ne doba on be manipulate ya the man kura masa ubu se campaign o kwa no nko na eko because they don't know you na unti ala campaign no wona e true so
the honorable and nya tribal a process
sana beka no
oh that's a rules not necessarily say we are Asante but a rules say adani ni asese
ayo na eni mu frititin so ye dai
say no so sa
ayo mate
ona we that son of pay
ni ya be da say
can it see such a front planes Donkor Fuseini na ye no twetwe nkomo no
okayfm 101.7